I'm now going to show you how to write an equation in slope-intercept form of a line that passes through the point 6, 3 and has a slope of 2, 3. Let's go ahead first and write the slope-intercept form of a line. Y, let's change the ink. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line, the number before x, the coefficient of x is the slope of the line, and b is the y-intercept. What do we mean by y-intercept? The y-intercept is the point where the line touches the y-axis. If I were to draw a line looking like this, a white line or green line, and if this line passes through point 2 on the grid right here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. If it passes through 2 or directly through 2 on the y-axis, this is the y-axis pointing vertically up, the x-axis pointing horizontally to the right and left, then we would say that the coordinates of the y-intercept are 0, 1. Or in this case, 0, 2. Sorry, 0, 2. 0, 2. Now, if another line had passed through, let us say, that position right here is a little below 4, we'd say its coordinates are 0, and we'd approximate it to be about 3.8. 0, 3.8, right? So keep that in mind, right? The y-coordinate is normally reported as having an x-coordinate of 0 and a y-coordinate of a certain value, the value on the y-axis where it crosses. So let's go ahead and look at the problem given to us. We first of all insert the slope that is given into the formula. So we have y equals 2/3 the slope that was given, x, plus b. The next thing that we do is we look at the point that was given to us, which is 6, 3, and we see that the x-coordinate is 6, the y-coordinate is 3. So we are going to substitute those into the problem. The y-coordinate is 3, the x-coordinate is 6 plus b. Now all we need to do is isolate b, and we would have found the y-intercept. Then we are going to plug it back into this equation to complete the process. Let's go ahead and do that. 2 times 6, we can put a 1 underneath the 6 to avoid any confusion. 2 times 6 gives 12 over 3 times 1 is 3 plus b. Work out 12 divided by 3, we get 4. So 3 is equal to 4 plus b. Then our final decision or thing to do is to take away 4 from both sides. And we end up with -1 is equal to b. When you end up with -1 equals b, we are going to substitute that into this equation right here. Wherever we see b, we're going to replace it with -1 and do some math. So we end up with y equals 2/3 x plus b, which is -1. We're going to combine positive and -1 to give -1, because a positive sign and a negative sign facing each other becomes a negative. So we have 2/3 x minus 1 equals y. And this is our final answer. That is it. This is how you do these kinds of problems.